so I'm gonna cut her hair. Your hair, it's falling off.
Are you actually dumb? Oh! It's not funny, Uelese. Well, how is it an accident?
It's an accident, mate. Even if I cut your hair, you can fix it.
Oh!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Georgie. Today, I'm gonna back on the track, guys. I just wake up and my wife's still asleep. The prank I'm gonna do on her, I'm gonna cut her hair. I don't know what's her reaction, so I'm gonna cut her hair. So that's the prank, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this prank. Hope it's going well, guys, you know. I put this camera down here, guys, you know. Put the small camera down here. And I'm gonna put this one inside the room where she's having a nap. Because this is Friday. And she's having a nap. And she's still asleep. Hope you guys like this prank, guys. Babe, what happened to you? Babe, what happened? Your hair, it's falling off. It's just falling off. It's falling off. I just got your hair. I'm sorry, I just got your hair. Sound nice to you. I'll make you look nice. Just go back to sleep, I'll make you look nice.
Siaosi,
What?
are you dumb? Oh!
This is your hair.
Why would you cut my hair?
This should make it look nice.
What? Why would you cut my hair?
Sorry, baby. Sorry. I'm so
Are
sorry.
you actually dumb? Oh!
Just a little bit, babe. It's so nice.
What for?
Make you look nice, okay? I'm so sorry.
Are you actually serious? Oh my gosh. Why would you? Is this a joke?
What?
Why would you cut my hair?
It's just a joke, baby. It's nice. It look nice on you. Let me see.
Uelese, why would you cut my hair?
It actually look nice.
It's not funny, Uelese. Well, how is it an accident?
It's an accident, baby.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I'm so sorry.
Why would you cut my hair, Ossie?
Remember you told me you want to cut your hair last week?
I didn't want you to cut it. It doesn't mean you cut it, and not while I'm sleeping.
But I'm the papa too. You know?
Ossie,
I thought you want to cut your haircut. You
I'm
told
gonna
me.
look in the mirror. I'm gonna look in the mirror.
You told me. You told me last week you want to cut your hair.
Just go and sit down. Why are you walking around with those scissors? Give me it. Let me cut your hair then. If it's so unimportant, let me cut your hair. Let me cut your hair.
You told me last week you want to.
Let me cut your hair. Let me cut your hair then.
You told me last week you want a haircut.
Let me give you a haircut. It's a nice thing, isn't it?
No.
Just wake me up like this. What kind of crap is this? You just wake me up like this. And you expect me not to be angry? Ossie, why are you acting like that?
What? I thought you like it.
Let me cut your hair.
No.
Let me cut your hair then. Let me cut your hair.
You told me you want to cut your hair.
I didn't say I want you to cut it. Did I say I want you to cut it? Look how much you cut. Look how much you cut.
Actually, look nice, baby.
Ossie, stop. Stop playing with me.
Oh, actually, I'm gonna cut it all if you want it to make it straight.
Stop being mean.
I'm sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Come here.
You're not sorry. Why would you do it?
Come here. I'm sorry, babe. Babe. Babe.
I don't care. Ossie.
It's a prank. Babe. It's a prank.
It's a prank.
I got camera here. I got camera here.
It's not a prank, Ossie. If it's a prank, you don't cut people's hair. Actually cut their hair.
It's a prank. Shh. Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. It's not a prank. This is a... Do you know how to prank?
It's a prank.
A
Look.
prank is when you don't actually cut the hair. You actually cut my hair.
Yeah, it's a prank. It's alright. It's alright. It's a prank, baby. I got you. I got you, baby. Even if I cut your hair, you can fix it.
Oh!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
He needs some milk.
Oh,
Just get out, Ossie. Just get that camera off.
it's a
Honestly, you went too far.
prank. Wow.
You went too far.
It's a prank.
I don't even care. I don't care.
Do you like, baby? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, babe.
I don't care. Get out.
I'm gonna turn it off, guys, because she's so upset. What I did. I'm gonna turn it off right now.
Yeah, you're actually so dumb.
Oh yeah.
You don't even know how to prank. You're not supposed to do it for real.
Oh, sorry. It's a prank. I'm so sorry. It's alright.
Just get out. Just get out.
It's alright. It's alright. It's
Just
alright.
get out.
It's alright. It's alright.
No, it's not alright. Just get out.
I'm gonna fix it tomorrow, okay?
I'm not in the mood. Just get out.
Sorry. Hope you guys enjoy this prank. I don't know if I do the right thing or just comment down below, guys. Hope this video is going up because she's gonna edit. I don't know if I do the right thing or what. She's so upset right now. Boy Georgie is back on this. If you need more prank, comment down below, and Team Aussie if you like it. Let's go.
Hey guys, it's been a couple of days since the prank. I just thought I'd come up here before I end off this video and let you guys know that I'm okay. I won't lie, it took me a couple of hours to come around. It wasn't really noticeable, like I kept looking in the mirror. Wasn't too noticeable, which was okay, but I was just like, why? Like that was the biggest thing for me. I was just like, are you actually so dumb? Why would you do that? So he obviously kept the hair. This is how much he cut. Like, what the hell? And at least it wasn't at the front, because it was at the front. If it was somewhere here, ooh, we throwing hands. Obviously, we throwing hands. I can't even find it. There it is. But yeah, other than that, I think he did a pretty okay job. He just should have used fake hair, I think, in my opinion. But whatever. Like this video, Team Aussie or Team Victoria, if you felt sorry for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.